trigonometric lessons. Today we come to the crucial last part of trigonometry. We'll be doing all other chapters in the long run, but we will be starting only basic points now. Later we will start doing harder problems. Let us see how we discuss. Now cos alpha plus beta is cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. Cos alpha minus beta is cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. So if you add these two, cos alpha plus beta plus cos alpha minus beta, you will get cos alpha cos beta plus cos alpha cos beta, that is 2 times, and this will die because one is minus and the other is plus. So if you call alpha plus beta as C, alpha minus beta as D, then alpha is C plus D by 2. Beta is C minus D by 2. Now cos alpha minus beta minus cos alpha plus beta. We are subtracting cos alpha plus beta from cos alpha minus beta. Then cos alpha cos beta minus cos alpha cos beta disappear. But sin alpha sin beta minus sin alpha sin beta becomes 2 sin alpha sin beta. As before, this is C, this is D. Now the formulae come like this. Sin plus sin is 2 sin cos. Sin minus sin is 2 cos sin. Cos plus cos is 2 cos cos. Everybody is a cos. Cos minus cos is minus 2 sin sin. Because sin C plus sin D is 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Sin C minus sin D is 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Cos C plus cos D is 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Cos C minus cos D is minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. But this minus sign can be ignored by taking the other way. We will see that. Now the question, 2 sin 7 theta sin 3 theta. So it is 2 sin sin. And you know 2 sin sin is coming like this. But let's take 7 theta minus 3 theta difference first. And then 7 theta plus 3 theta sum. So this is difference, this is sum. Only in the case of sin sin that happens. Now 2 sin 7 theta cos 4 theta, it is 2 sin cos. It is sin plus sin. You add the two fellows, 7 theta plus 4 theta, then 7 theta minus 4 theta. Now 2 cos cos, 3 theta plus 2 theta you add, 3 theta minus 2 theta you have. Now 2 sin 4 theta cos 6 theta. You see this 6 theta is more, 6 theta. So we interchange it and say it is 2 cos sin. So 2 cos sin is sin minus sin. So it is sin, you add the two fellows, 10 theta, minus sin, difference is 2 theta. So try to remember these results. We will do more problems in the course of time. Now we consider value of sin 15 degrees. You know 15 is 45 minus 30. So sin of 45 minus 30. It is sin alpha minus beta. So sin 45 cos 30 minus cos 45 sin 30. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 30 is sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So 2 root 2 is the LCM. Numerator is root 3 minus 1. So the value of sin 15 is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. It is also cosine of the complement. 90 minus 15 is 75. So sin of 15 is cos of 75 equals root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Similarly, go for cos 15. It is cos 60 minus 45. You can take 45 minus 30, no harm. So it is cos 60 cos 45 plus sin 60 sin 40. Cos 60 is sin 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. So 2 root 2 is LCM. So root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So cos of 15 is sin of 75. Now tan of 15, exactly. Tan 45 minus 30. The formula is tan alpha minus tan beta by 1 plus tan alpha tan beta. So it is tan 45 minus tan 30 by 1 plus tan 45 tan 30. Tan 45 is 1. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So the result is 1 minus 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by root 3. You multiply by root 3. So it is root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Now whenever denominator contains irrational numbers, root, etc., you multiply by the conjugate. Root 3 plus 1, conjugate is root 3 minus 1. You multiply numerator and denominator by root 3 minus 1. Now denominator, a plus b into a minus b is a squared minus b squared. So root 3 square is 3 minus 1 is 2. Now this is our a minus b the whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab formula. 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 root 3 by 2 is root 3. Net effect is 2 minus root 3. And that is the value of tan 15 degrees, which is also cot of 75. Now remember, pi is 180. So pi by 12, 180 by 12 is 15 degrees. So this is all pi divided by 12. Now we consider an idea. 5x is 3x plus 2x. If you take tan on both sides, tan 5x is tan of 3x plus 2x. Tan alpha plus beta. Tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. So tan 3x plus 2x is tan 3x plus tan 2x by 1 minus tan 3x into tan 2x. Now you can cross multiply. This value will come over here. So tan 5x into 1 is tan 5x. Then tan 5x into minus tan 3x into tan 2x is minus tan 5x, tan 3x, tan 2x. On the right side, it is tan 3x plus tan 2x. So we see, we can take this to the right side, tan 5x into tan 3x into tan 2x, and these values will come over here. So net effect is tan 5x into tan 3x into tan 2x is tan 5x minus tan 3x minus tan 2x. So understand, 5x, 3x, 2x combination. Similarly, you can see tan 7x into tan 6x into tan x will be tan of 7x. You take the largest of that, then subtract the remaining. Tan minus tan 6x minus tan x. Now we apply such methods for simplification. Now we see an example. Cos 5x plus cos 4x plus cos 3x by sin 5x plus sin 4x plus sin 3x. You see 5x plus 3x is 8x. 5x plus 3x is 8x. So you will combine those two terms first. You will keep this fellow as such and simplify the two terms here. Now cos 5x plus cos 3x is 2 cos 5x plus 3x, 8x by 2 is 4x. 5x minus 3x, 2x by 2 is x. So cos 5x plus cos 3x is 2 cos 4x cos x and plus is cos 4x. Now denominator sin plus sin is 2 sin cos. So it is 2 sin 4x cos x plus this sin 4x. Now we see cos 4x is common factor. Sin 4x is common factor. So cos 4x into what remains is 2 cos x plus 1. Sin 4x into 2 cos x plus 1. So these two are one and the same thing, so they cancel, giving you cos 4x by sin 4x, which is cot 4x. So we see such combinations will work here only. Cos 4x by sin 4x will come. So it is cot 4x. You try to master the technique because these methods are important for entrance-oriented questions. Let us see what we can do. Now we have almost finished important topics in trigonometry. Now we will move to complex numbers, quadratic equations, and so on in the next lessons. For the time being, we will close the chapter. Best of luck for all of you. Remember to convey this to your friends. Let all get benefit. Thank you.